Hi guys, welcome back. Recently, I bought a Samsung tablet for my work. Now, this is the Samsung S5e tablet. What's the tablet got to do with today's topic? So as you guys know, I'm a food photographer, so sometimes I go on shoots to be able to show my clients what I capture on the camera onto the screen. Now why is this so? It's because sometimes when you shoot on the camera and once you blow it out to the screen, the photos that you take might not be what the client wants. So we're going to be talking about tethering. Now what is tethering? Tethering is basically having a device linked with your camera to be able to showcase what you shoot on the camera on a larger screen. This will definitely help to solve a few problems, especially one where the client says, oh, it looks so different on screen. Oh, we can't pay you because that's not exactly what we wanted. Today, I'm going to mention two ways which I commonly use to tether my camera to my device. Now, before we fully go into the topic of tethering, I'm going to tell you guys one of the big reasons why I got this tablet too. Now, the first reason is that having a tablet, you're able to show your clients the full-blown photos of your portfolio on the spot. So when I'm meeting my clients, I'm able to touch and show them, oh, what photos I'm able to take and what theme it is. So example, this is the light and airy theme. I'm able to show them right here what is all the photos that's rated as the light and airy theme. On top of that, I'm able to pinch to focus to be able to see the details that they require. Now, you're also able to include in different folders to be able to show them what different themes that you have and what other themes that you guys are looking at. Now, the second reason is that I'm able to do work on the go. As you guys know, there's Google Docs or other applications that I'm able to use on my tablet. So let's open Google Docs right here. So basically, this is the list of terms and conditions which I always show my clients before engaging them on the shoot. So all you need is basically a very cheap Bluetooth keyboard, and you're able to type and change it on the go. So with this cheap Bluetooth keyboard, which is only 20 USD, and my tablet, both of them in the combination only weighs less than half of what my Macbook weighs. So this is definitely a very portable option for me to bring it even on my vacation or somewhere which I need to carry light. Now let's bring on my A7 II to be used for the tethering examples I'm going to be showing today. Now here's my A7 II, and I'm going to switch on my tablet and on the image application that we're going to be using today. Now before we start, you guys got to download this application called Imaging Edge Mobile, which is used for Sony cameras for wireless tethering. So the tablet application is going to prompt you to connect it to your camera. So now we're going to use my A7 II and we're going to use this application called Smart Remote Embedded. Now once you're ready, press the button to be able to sync this with your camera. So now before we continue, we got to search for the camera's Wi-Fi. So search for the camera's Wi-Fi and click on it. Now go to the camera application once again. Now there, you should be connected. So what I'm shooting on my camera is able to be seen on the screen. So as you can see now, the image is captured right down here. So you can also shoot from the tablet itself if you're planning to put a camera on a tripod. So once I frame it up, so the image is captured down here on my tablet, and my tablet is 10.5 inch, definitely closer to a bigger screen than my camera. So now let's cover my second way on how I tether my camera. Now the second option we're going to talk about is tethering using a laptop. Now a laptop is definitely much more convenient than a tablet, as not all of you guys might own a tablet, but definitely you guys have a computer or at least a laptop that you're able to bring around. So for today, I'm going to be using my MacBook along with this tethering cable. This tethering cable connects to my camera onto my laptop to be able to give a live feed on what is being captured on the camera. So basically find the port itself and connect one end towards the camera and the other end towards the laptop. Now I'm going to show you guys one application that you'll definitely need, which is free, where you can tether the image from your camera onto your laptop. Now you guys got to go online and find this application called Remote Camera Control. Now once you open the application, you'll be able to see this. Basically, these are all the camera settings on your camera reflected onto the screen. Now with this application on, you're able to click the shutter button without even touching the camera. So basically, just click on this camera icon, and your photo will be shown on your laptop, and simply open the files. So here you go, here's the image that's been captured. Now you're also able to change the camera settings on the application itself. So I hope you guys like these two simple ways which you can tether your image from your camera onto a bigger screen. Now this will definitely help a lot of issues where the clients are not happy with the photos, or if you yourself are not sure what you're going to get. Now, one downside of this is that whatever you capture on your camera is stored on the laptop itself, and there's no memory of the photos in your camera. So whatever you have on your laptop, do pack it up somewhere. Now, I hope you guys like this short video on explaining what is tethering and the easy way of using the Sony system to be able to tether to either your laptop or the tablet itself. Now, if you do like, please like and subscribe so that it can generate more content for you guys. Now, if you guys like my video, please do like and comment down below what you like about this episode and what I could have covered, or if there are other ways which you yourself use to tether. Now, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next video.